to the heart of our almond facility. As you can see, we utilize the latest technology to ensure the highest quality from farm to table.
Keep it coming back, a little more to the left. All right, hold it right there. Cut it.
Almonds unload onto wide intake conveyors. Raw hulled almonds entering the factory for the first time.
Vibrating metal screens shake rapidly beneath the almonds, small stones and twigs dropping away through gaps, almonds remaining intact and unchanged. Almonds pass beneath strong magnetic bars mounted above the belt, any metallic fragments snapping upward instantly, almonds unaffected. Tiny air nozzles fire instantly, ejecting dark, broken, or damaged kernels sideway into reject bins.
The heat loosens the brown skins, which begin to wrinkle and separate from the kernels.
Soft rubber rollers rub the almonds together, sliding the skins completely off.
The product appearance changes as smooth, white, blanched almonds emerge, skins fully removed.
Sensors along the cooling conveyor scan the blanched almonds for surface moisture, indicator lights confirming optimal dryness while the almonds remain smooth and white.
Gradually, the almond color deepens as natural oils rise to the surface, edges becoming lightly toasted.
The product appearance changes only slightly as a light seasoning layer coats the roasted almonds, texture otherwise unchanged.
The almond butter flows through temperature-controlled mixing tanks, slow paddles stirring to maintain uniform texture and prevent oil separation.
Another line blends finely ground almonds with filtered water inside large stainless steel tanks, initiating almond milk production. High-pressure homogenizers force the mixture through narrow valves, breaking particles down and creating a stable white liquid.
Roasted almonds are transferred into final holding bins, resting briefly before packaging, appearance unchanged.
Almond milk passes through pasteurization units, heated and cooled rapidly to ensure safety, visual appearance unchanged. Almond flour flows through final sifters, removing any coarse particles and ensuring uniform fineness.
All finished almond products pause in controlled holding areas, temperature and humidity tightly regulated. The product appearance remains unchanged during this stabilization stage.
The internal color is perfect, a uniform golden brown.
Yes, and the snap is excellent.
any non-conforming almond products are automatically diverted to isolated holding zones, preventing cross-contamination.
This almond milk is incredibly creamy. I know, and these cookies are perfect.
Daddy, try the brittle.
I could snack on these all day. They are incredibly good.
Careful, Dad, or there won't be any left for us.
Yeah, save some for me.
This almond milk is incredibly creamy. I know, and these cookies are perfect.
Daddy, try the brittle.